Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, as you guys can see up on the screen. Today we are once again talking about Muln Automotive Incorporation. This is ticker symbol M-U-L-N, Muln. And the reason why we're talking about this one today is it had an absolutely insane day. This thing was up 39% on the day. I mean, really, it opened up massively. It opened up at $2.12 after closing at $1.75 yesterday. I know in the video yesterday we talked about how after hours Muln was starting to pump, but it was like, hey, is it going to be able to hold on to these gains? What's even going on? Why is it pumping? And it absolutely did. It held on to those gains and more, especially at open, and then just kept going. We did hit an intraday high of 268, and then kind of sold off a little bit from there, but not too much. Overall, still a massive day. Now, what is kind of interesting about this whole thing, other than just being up 40% in a single day, is also that we're now down about 7% after hours. So that's going to be something to keep an eye on. After hours yesterday, it meant something. Today, maybe it'll mean something, maybe not. It's always low volume. It's always speculative. You never really know how much to read into after hours trading, but still, huge day for Muln, even if we are down 7% after hours. In this video today, we're going to be going over all the latest for Muln, just keeping you guys up to date on what's going on. So definitely drop a like if you do enjoy it. I would appreciate that a ton. Subscribe, stay up to date on all my latest content, and consider checking out the link for Robinhood down in the description below. Get a couple free stocks for getting signed up. We get a couple free stocks as well. That would be great. Of course, as always, no financial advice in this video. I'm not telling you guys to buy, not telling you guys to sell, nothing like that. Just giving some of my thoughts and opinions on the news. So let's get into this. Muln, crazy day. And yes, the markets as a whole did good today. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and even the oil, everything was up today. So it was overall a good day for the stock market. So it's not a surprise that Muln would be up, and it's not even a surprise that Muln would be up huge, because obviously it's a smaller company, it's a more speculative company, it's a more growth-oriented company. On green days, you expect companies like that to outperform the indices. Now, obviously the negative is that on the down days, they're going to underperform the indices, going the other way. But just because, the Russell's up 1.69%, that doesn't justify Muln being up 39%. This was absolutely crazy. And obviously, there's a lot of reasons why. One, people think it's just undervalued. This thing, the 52-week high is right around $16. We're now at $2.44 after being up 39% on the day today. Year to date, if this will load, I don't know why it's not going. Year to date, we're still down 58%. So, despite all this crazy moves and everything, it's still been a really rough year for Muln. And it is possible that people are just thinking, hey, this thing got oversold. Hey, this thing is undervalued. It's time to start turning it around. Also, Muln is currently one of the most shorted stocks in the entire stock market. So there's always a potential for the short squeeze. There's always a potential as once it starts going up a little bit, those shorts having to buy back, having to cover, things going up and up and up. That is also there. And then the fact that it's just so popular right now. Once you see the kind of gains it's been making, everyone starts talking about it. That gets more people interested. They get greedy. They want some of those gains. And it's just kind of this cascading effect or the snowball effect or whatever. We did have this from investorplace.com. Why is Muln Automotive stock up 30% today? And they do say that the EV company has quickly picked up popularity among retail traders. On StockTwit's message volume containing the Muln ticker has increased significantly since the start of March. Currently, there seems to be little company-specific news to explain Muln's recent price action. However, the company was recently featured on Yahoo Finance Live. During the feature, the host discussed Muln Automotive progress in creating solid-state battery technology. They also mentioned that Muln's 5 electric SUV crossover seeks to conceptually compete with Tesla's and Ford's. So that is obviously very cool. And yeah, talking about that, we do see this. Muln USA tweeted out, Muln Automotive featured on Yahoo Finance Live. Muln was identified as a standout that is doing well among falling EV stocks due to its solid-state battery technology and strong domestic presence. Hashtag electric cars, hashtag Muln5, hashtag green technology. So this was definitely a really big deal. Now, does just getting featured on Yahoo Finance, is that going to make you go up 40%? I don't think so. I mean, this is a small company. It is going to be very reactive to news and to kind of catalysts and stuff like that. I mean, again, Muln is just an $85 million market cap right now. So this thing can move crazy. It can move fast. It's low float. It's low market cap. It is just a recipe for volatility. And obviously that's what we have seen. Again, year to date, we've seen that. Over the past year, we've seen that. Here we had a little run up of 83% over the course of a couple weeks. You see all the ups and downs in the graph. This thing is just very, very volatile. It's very, very crazy. It's in the EV space, which is already volatile and crazy and speculative and all this stuff. So obviously I don't think, just being featured on Yahoo Live or whatever, Yahoo Finance Live, made this whole day for Mullen, but I think it played some part of it, and I think it might be getting people excited. But like the article does say, yes, StockTwit on Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, all over the place, Mullen is getting so popular. It's literally one of the most talked about stocks in the stock market, especially by retail traders over the last couple of weeks, which, hey, that's going to help your share price as well, usually. We also had a couple updates. This guy's video, I can't remember this guy's name. I've seen his videos a bunch, obviously, as I'm looking up all this Mullen stuff. Who is this? This is Muln Market. 116,000 subs on YouTube. Pretty crazy. But he posted this video about how Mullen was just given a $15 price target from an analyst. In the thumbnail here, you can see with the WACC of 10% and exit multiple close to 15x. In my view, we could be targeting a price of $15. That's the best case scenario. So that is obviously this guy's bull case of being $15, which is crazy because, again, we are right now at $244. We started the year at $581. Now, again, $15 is not completely unheard of. We've been at $15 just within the last, 52 weeks. So I think that's maybe where that number could be coming from. I don't know for sure. But just know that there are some $15 price targets out there for Mullen, potentially, at least from one analyst. So, hey, we'll have to see what happens there. And then also, I talked about this in my video yesterday, but we have more people talking about this. I can't remember who this video is from either. It's from the same guy, from Muln Market again, talking about this Apple buyout potentially and a $3 price prediction. Again, $3 would be very, very nice from here at $244. But I was talking about that yesterday, how some people were talking about this potential between Apple and Mullen. Obviously, Mullen is a stock that's beat down. It might be an opportunity for Apple to be buying low on a company with a bright future ahead of them. We know Apple has all these rumors, and not even rumors, people like Elon Musk have gone so far as to say that, like, yes, Apple is trying to get an EV done. They're trying to get a self-driving car done. And they're hiring all these people, and they're making all these things work. Maybe Mullen would be a potential buyout target for that. Now, I don't know if I personally buy into this too much. I don't know if I'm believing this stuff too much, but it is a rumor. It is a rumbling. It is something that people are talking about out there, and it could absolutely be something that is affecting the stock price. All of a sudden, you get these Apple rumors popping up, and now we're, from the 15th, we're up 52% in the last 2 days. I don't think that's a coincidence. I think the market is maybe getting a little bit excited about some Apple rumors. Now, maybe they're getting too excited, maybe they're overly excited, maybe they're just totally incorrectly excited. I don't know, but I'm saying that could play into some of this. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate that so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about MULN. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.